I'm at Drives and Controls 2014 for the launch of PlantStruxure PES, and I'm talking to Schneider Electric's Jez Palmer. Jez, can you tell me how PlantStruxure PES enables faster applications engineering and why that's important to customers?
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so PES is a DCS type solution. What people who are purchasing DCSs want is a complete integrated system approach. Now, we provide in PES benefits for design time, and we provide benefits at runtime. So one of the first things that you expect is a single data entry supporting the configure once philosophy. So when we talk about a system, we're talking about the control, the code that goes into the controllers to control the process, and we're talking about the supervision system that gives feedback to the operators about the status of the plant and the process. So if you look at a typical PLC SCADA type solution, that requires usually multiple software tools, multiple databases. So with inside PES, you have a single software tool, and behind that a single database. So it's when you create an object, that is only created once, and it is then used in the control system and in the supervision system, and in other systems if they're incorporated into the system as well. Second thing is we provide a suite of libraries, a rich suite of libraries. As standard, you'll get what's called the general purpose library, but there are libraries available for specific industries such as water, wastewater, mining, food and beverage. So a lot of the engineering effort has been done up front, and it's standardized and it's validated, if you like. So it means that when you create an application using one of the libraries, you know that the code's going to work, you know that the system is going to be the same whether it's in plant A, B or C, and you know that it's going to be a much faster development process because you don't have to do all the back-end engineering to build all of the objects. They're all there up front, created in the first place. So from a design point of view, because you've got a rich suite of libraries available, that should significantly improve or speed up the actual development of an application, because you don't have to do all of the low-level engineering as a designer yourself.
So speed of development, and then also the consistency across the system.
That's right. Yeah. I mean, again, with a PLC type, PLC SCADA type solution, you can quite often end up with, a system integrator's view of how the code should look. So across, if you went to system integrator A, system integrator B, system integrator C, and asked them to write an application or write the code to control a particular process, you would get a different result from all three of them. Right. Just how that engineer decided to do the project. You also get different supervision screens as well. Somebody would use more flowery in the design of the graphics, etc. With a DCS type solution and with PES, you get a lot of standardization. Libraries are already pre-built, created, validated, tested, proven, and the graphical objects or the supervision objects are part of that library, and so you get this consistency and you get this standardization, which is really important for process industries.